In front of us today at Auto Street USA, we have another super clean commuter compact car. This is a 2002 Mitsubishi Lancer LS trim level. Give you a quick exterior walk around for this one, and then we'll make our way up close around the exterior and interior to point out any areas of concern and or tension for a fully transparent look at this car. This one presents quite nicely here with just 35,000 miles on the odometer. Super low miles considering the age. Starting up front, we do notice that it looks like one headlight has been restored and the other one has not. Obviously that one being the unrestored headlight. We have a couple of scuffs up front here. A couple of rock chips here and there as well. Might be able to be buffed out in some instances. Few areas of discoloration, maybe a little bit of clear coat etching or wear on the hood. Same goes for pretty much every other exterior surface of the car, but it's obviously not in significant presence. I mean, by and large, this thing is really clean. Even the black trim around the windows still has some sheen to it. So look at the roof. I don't see any dents on the roof at all. Looking down the driver's side here, again, maybe a couple of rock chips down there. Got a couple of scuffs, scratches there on the rear left corner. A few trunk scratches, which is typical for the load floor when you put stuff in the trunk. This is actually a aftermarket backup camera, which does orient correctly once you mount it, of course, with a license plate. It's meant to hold the license plate on there as well. Having a look down the passenger side here, I'm not seeing any. A couple of very small dents. We got one there, maybe a couple down here. Tough to see on camera, real tough to see on camera, so obviously they're not huge. We're back up at the front of the car now. Again, a couple of rock chips here and there on this example. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Interior on this one, real clean. Beige, a couple of areas of discoloration here, there, a couple of scuffs. Again, some of these things might be able to be cleaned and or scrubbed off. You can see really clean throughout, especially the wood across the dashboard. No fading whatsoever. Let's go ahead and hop in here. A little quieter. Aftermarket head unit. One can easily tell that addition. EC controls, gear shifter, automatic transmission, as we can see. Even the headliner in this one is darn near immaculate. I mean, look at that. Talk about a car that was cared for. This is it. Your rear seats. A little bit of discoloration there on the rear seat. Again, might be able to come out with a real good scrubbing and or shampoo treatment. Let's go ahead and start it up. Starts right up without much drama. Let's go ahead and back that fan speed down so we can actually hear ourselves. No warning lights on the cluster, 35,000 miles. There it is. Fan control is responsive. Off. Speeds 1, 2, 3, and 4. It does blow cold as well. That temperature, of course, is showing blowing cold. It is definitely getting cooler in here. Here's your aftermarket head unit system. A couple of simple connectivity apps. Again, the backup camera does function. It just, when you mount a license plate, it will orient properly. That's just because it's, kind of dangling free. That's why it looks like we're backing up into the sky. No big deal. Up top here, your wood trim, again, great condition there. Even the top of the dash, I mean, I don't see any signs of sun wear or discoloration. Only sign that I really see in the interior here is we do have some wear on the steering wheel at the top edge, probably from resting a hand, I would imagine. Other than that, very clean example here in front of us. Radio functionality. It's just the cue sound effect telling you that you're controlling the volume up and down. Rear view mirror. I already showed the headliner. So there we have it. I'm going to Shut it down there. 35,000 miles on the odometer. Available at Auto Street USA, 2002 Mitsubishi Lancer LS.